Okay, hello everybody, this is Big Bang Crypto. My name is Sam and welcome to the next episode. Now, before we start, really, if you don't know anything about the four-wave theory, then I really recommend watching my previous videos because it's the only way to understand what's going on right now, and I think the best way. Now, it's been really tough days for us, and I think this is what's going on right now. Now, there are two groups. One group sitting there saying, what the hell? What's going on? Why? Where? When? They know nothing, and they missed this bottom right now. So for them, it's over to find the best entry point. But now our group, we're sitting there saying, guys, we knew that 2 weeks ago. We've been talking about that. So for us, this is nothing new, although it's been very tough days because yeah, we've been sitting there waiting for the third low, and yeah, it happened. It's fantastic for us, for wave theory. It proves what I've been talking about, and it shows that everything that I said and the information and the collected data and all these things, everything is okay. So we can use it. And yeah, now a lot of you asked, will we see another low or a lower low? Well, this is something that I showed you in my previous video. So this is the first wave in 2015 of the last bull market, and as you can see, we've been breaking the channel line and the daily exponential ribbon on the same day, and then we came up again. So this is exactly what is happening right now. So this is the first reason why we won't see a lower low. Now, when we go to the live chart, well, as you can see, this is the new version of the DeLorean. So I've been finding some lines, and I mean, I've learned so much in the last days about this channel, about Bitcoin, about what is going on. I mean, I have so much information, and we will use that when we see the second wave. So, but for now, the next reason why we won't see a drop is, as you can see, this is the channel line. This is the main trend line of the big channel that we're moving in, and this is the first low. And when we came down and moved up and crossed this first orange line, that was the moment when it was clear that we won't come back down to the channel line. All right. Now, the next time we made the second low and moved up and crossed this channel line, this orange line, we didn't come back down. All right. So this was over, and we were moving up for the next days. Now, again, we see the test of the channel line, and we've been crossing this first orange line, and as you can see, Bitcoin started to show us consolidation, and then all of a sudden this red big candle came. Everybody thought, all right, this is it. Now we will see the lower low. And as you can see, exactly on that orange line, we saw Bitcoin, well, moving upwards again. So this is the next major reason for me to say this thing is over. And let's have a look at the daily chart. And when we bring out the ribbon, as you can see, what you can see right here is that we came down and now we are moving up again. So it's exactly what we've been talking about. So this thing is over, and I mean, guys, this is such a strong move, so bullish. All right, so bullish. Yeah, maybe we will see a drop, but we won't reach this price targets again or even lower. No chance. For me, no chance. I mean, there are still YouTubers saying that 8,500 Bitcoin futures chart, the gap has to get filled and things like that. Bullshit. Really bullshit. Well, you can listen to them. I mean, there are some guys, I mean, I'm talking about the big channels. I don't know every channel, but the big channels, they know almost nothing, because they didn't spend the time to understand Bitcoin. And this is the difference, all right? This is the big difference. They can find patterns, all right? I mean, you can, when you take 2-3 hours, you see, Google it, you find some of the main patterns out there, and you can find them in your chart and things like that. So this is not the problem. It's getting difficult to really read the chart, all right? This is something that where you need real experience, all right? And I think everything that I've said was, I would say, okay. The only thing that didn't play out was this 21 days. Right now I think we will have something around 24 days, but that's okay. that's not a problem. This was very important, because when this is your entry point or something around that, guys, only today, I mean, you made $1,000 when you have one Bitcoin. All right, so this is amazing, and this is what we're doing. Why we're doing that? Because we want to come to this point. And now, something else that is very important is when we were down here, we had a bullish trend coming all the way up. Now, when we reach that point, the main trend line, I said, this is a reversal, we will come back down, and this is what happened. And now that we've touched this point again, we will have a reversal, and we will go over to a bullish trend. So, and this is exactly what you're seeing right now. And now the question is, what will happen in the next days? And I think crazy FOMO, because when the point comes and the people understand that Bitcoin is not going down, all right, so this is over, and when these YouTubers that can only say what is going right now, so when Bitcoin is going up, they bring out a video saying Bitcoin is going up now, and when Bitcoin is going down, they say, okay, Bitcoin is going down now. But they will bring their videos, they have their 60,000, 100,000 followers, and then when they understand, all right, this thing is over, and we're over this daily exponential ribbon, and we get support, then FOMO will start like crazy. And when you see this white line, okay, as you can see, this played a role in the last days. So as you can see, when we cross this line, do you see that? So this is what I think is very likely to happen. So when we cross this line, we get over, let's have a look, 10,800 nearly. When we get over this line and see confirmation, then guys, this will come. No way. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart again, because I see something that I want to show you, something very important. Now, you've all seen this big, unbelievable green candle. And now, what is so beautiful about it is, we've been talking about the bear flag. Now we talk about the bull flag. And this is something, guys, it is so powerful, very long flagpole, very long and vertical. And then this right there, this confirmation, tight and flat, and exactly up there at the highest point of the flagpole. Perfect, guys, perfect. And when this thing breaks out, it can bring us all the way up to $11,800. So we will be over this thing, and this is a big, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, this is really crazy. And when this thing starts to break out, we will see a crazy move. And yeah, now I want to tell you something that could happen. Maybe we don't see the breakout upwards. Maybe we see the breakout down there, and this could be a false breakout. All right, I want you to be ready for that. So when you see Bitcoin going under $10,500, this could be a false breakout. And when this is a false breakout, this will be even more crazy, because the buyers will take that chance and they will buy like crazy. And now, why I say this could happen? Because this white line is playing a role, this red line is playing a role, and as you can see, this is a triangle. So when this moves on, we will have lower lows and lower highs. Sorry. So the pressure will get higher, and then this could result in a false breakout. So maybe. So this really can happen. But as you can see, this is a absolute bullish trend, huge bullish trend. So the only way for me now is upwards. This is so crazy likely. So okay, so I think this is what is important right now. And like I said, in the next 3 days, I think we will be crossing this main trend line, maybe faster. I mean, look at that. When we see something like that again, so maybe 2 days, we cross that main trend line, and then we will see this movement. We've been talking about it a lot, but we will talk about it again when it's when the time comes. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I've been working like crazy, guys, and I also have to take care of my family, so I'm sorry when I can't bring a video every day, but sometimes I'm collecting data, information. So like I said, this is not the type of channel that shows you this live chart and starts to talk about it. Everything I say is based on historical price movement. So I said this is the big difference right there, and this is why I have very high probabilities and of the things I say. So this is a big difference. So sometimes maybe I don't bring a video 1 day, 2 days, but I'm working on it because I want to tell you something that will work out. All right, I'm not saying something because I feel so, because the sun is shining, you know. So this is the difference. And yeah, the WhatsApp group is coming, guys. I'm sorry that that there is no WhatsApp group right now, but it is coming tomorrow. There is a WhatsApp group, and then I want to close the Telegram group, because some of you can't use Telegram, and WhatsApp is something that everybody can use, so this is better. And yeah, so this is coming, and well, as I said, guys, watch out for that. This will play a big role in the next hours. All right, yeah, this is the point. In the next hours, we will see this move. And when we see this move, we have to be prepared for a correction. All right, so we will not see this this kind of move all the time. So there will be correction, and this correction might be a little bit bigger. So maybe we have one day a big red candle, and then the next day we have the next big green candle. So be prepared for that. So I think tomorrow will be a big green candle, and then we see a red candle, and then we have the next green candle. So that's what's going on. Thank you very much for your attention, for the support, for the comments, for everything, guys. I mean, I think 112 subscribers. This is fantastic, and thank you very much. And I'm trying to answer every question, but like I said, guys, I have a other job, and I have to take care of a lot of other things. So don't be mad, but I really try to answer every question and be there for you. So like I said, the WhatsApp group is coming. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. We will see you soon.